how to change your Klarna password online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your Klarna.com, or you can get into the application version of it. Either way, make sure you're logged into your account. You can tap on the profile icon right here, and then from there you can actually get into the login page. Tap on sign in right here, and then simply add in all of the credentials of your account, then log into your account, right? So after successfully logging into your account, now what you're going to do is simply go to my Klarna, and then from there you'll actually be getting into settings, which is a gear like icon, and then after tapping on that icon, you'll now be able to select login settings or security. Tap on either login settings or security, then you can get the option of change password. Tap on change password, then follow all of the verification prompts via your email or SMS code and set your new password, and just like that you'll be able to change your Klarna password online. So yeah, that's all you need to do. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.